Why does your scanner show the P2029 engine code? What does it mean? P2029 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel-fired heater disabled. This engine code indicates that this usually means the PCM has detected a problem with the heater, potentially related to coolant temperature differential or other issues. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Temperature sensor issues, fuel-fired heater injector problems, burner or igniter malfunctions, wiring and connector issues, PCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.